When it comes to motorcycles, there's more than just the style, size, and colour to consider. One critical aspect that often stirs a debate among riders is the type of transmission, automatic or manual. But what exactly do these terms mean, and what are the pros and cons of each? This video is here to answer these questions and help you make an informed decision about your next motorcycle purchase. Motorcycle transmissions play a vital role in determining how a bike is ridden and the overall riding experience. Two main types of transmissions dominate the motorcycle market today: manual and automatic. Automatic motorcycles, although not as prevalent as their manual counterparts, have seen an increase in popularity over the years. They're particularly favoured in city environments and heavy traffic, where the stop-start nature of commuting is less hassle without the need for frequent gear changes. The automatic system prevents the bike from stalling by shifting gears automatically, a feature that beginners and less confident riders might find appealing. However, this convenience comes at a cost. Automatic motorcycles typically weigh more, use more fuel, and come with a heftier price tag. On the other hand, manual motorcycles have long been the standard in the industry. Riding a manual bike offers a certain thrill and sense of control that's difficult to replicate with an automatic transmission. Shifting gears manually provides the rider with a more engaging ride, demanding greater attention and effort. The acceleration of manual bikes is generally more efficient, adding an extra punch of excitement to the ride. However, the learning curve is steeper, requiring riders to master the balance between clutch use and gear shifting. Motorcycles can be either automatic or manual. The motorcycle market features a variety of models with both types of transmissions. While manual motorcycles, offering greater control and acceleration, have long been a staple in the industry, automatic motorcycles are gaining popularity. They offer easier handling, particularly in heavy traffic, by automatically managing gear shifting. Both manual and automatic motorcycles have their unique benefits, catering to different rider preferences and experiences. Historically, the motorcycle industry has been dominated by manual transmissions, seen as the traditional choice for their control and hands-on riding experience. However, with technological advancements and changing rider needs, automatic motorcycles are steadily carving their niche in the industry. Many manufacturers are recognizing the benefits of automatic motorcycles and are developing models that incorporate this technology. The increasing popularity of automatic transmissions can be seen in urban environments, where convenience and ease of use are paramount. In terms of future trends, it's likely that we'll continue to see growth in the automatic motorcycle sector, especially as electric motorcycles, which usually have automatic transmissions, become more widespread. However, the love for manual motorcycles isn't disappearing anytime soon, with a solid base of enthusiasts appreciating the control and engagement they offer. The choice between an automatic or manual motorcycle largely depends on the rider's personal preference, experience, and desired riding experience, proving that both types of transmissions have their unique place in the motorcycle world.